Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. And Rosalind sent me a package, asked me if I would do a review for this. This is a poly nail gel kit, starter kit. It is in a really cute box. It did get question shipping, but that's okay. Professional nail extension kit for starter. Oh, and those, like, I just noticed that's like gradient. It's really pretty. All right, here's what we have in the box. It looks like slip solution. I think this kit is $24. She's gonna send me a discount code for you guys, but I mean, this is a really great price for what you're getting. If this is good, I don't know yet. I have never tried Rosalind Polygel before. So we got soft pink here. Let me get this out. Ooh. You even get a little dampened dish. Oh, cute. Okay. That makes me happy. I mean, this is a full size 2 ounce polygel. That's big, full size. We have some blue glitter, very pretty. Some red glitter. That's nice. Ooh. Base coat. So I'm telling on myself here, the very first time I did polygel nails, I did not put a base down on her nails first, and they were all just popping off the next day. So if you don't use a base coat, be ready. It's gonna be all popping off. Oh, we got stuff underneath here. And there is a top coat. It doesn't say it's no wipe. I don't know. We'll have to try that out. Get rid of the plastic. And then we have some different sizes. I don't know, it looks to be to do what are they called? Tips. Oh, clips. We got clips too. I already have some of these. Those are nice. Oh, okay. Wow. A file. A polygel extension brush. Like, they are going all out on this. And lid. Great application brush. Oh, that's, yeah, okay. So I'm pretty impressed already just because the price is really good. And then, wow, lots of stickers. Oh, those are really adorable. Oh, we have some butterflies are all the rage this year. If you didn't know that already, that's the in thing right now. Our butterflies, those are really cute with different swirlies. Love those. Oh, those are really pretty. Different flowers, roses, daisies. Those are pretty. And those are gold. Same kind of thing. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful stickers. All right. I mean, man, that's a lot. All right, we're gonna use Freaky Fran here, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. First, you're gonna take some base coat. You do want to rough up the edge of your nail. You don't want any shiny stuff. I did put, I did file this first, and then I put an acid-free primer on it. So this has been primed. And then you want to, for sure, start with a base coat. The first time I did these, I did not put a base coat on. I didn't know I had to. And guess what? They did not stick at all. So I'm going to put a base coat on and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so normally I would not recommend using the slip solution that they include because it's kind of oily. and it does not like evaporate, which leads me to believe that is, I don't know, oily and doing any kind of nail service, as you know, is not a good mix. So, I mean, I am totally on the fence. I'm going to use it because they included it. So normally I would just say use 71% alcohol instead of spending more money on a slip solution, but this is included. This kit really is a fabulous deal, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. All right, so normally what I do is I put it on like the tip. You're gonna make sure that you fit your tip. You do want to go a little all the way to the edge, maybe even a little over what you have already, your natural nail. You want to go over that because actually I think I'm going to size up again because that is like exactly, but I don't want like little divots here on the edges. So let's try this size. That is over. That is just a little over. I'm fine with that. You can file that, you can drill it, whatever, but you don't want, when you put that on and you cure it, you don't want it where it's like indented and not like completely cover the nail. So here's what I've seen. This stuff is so nice. It squeezes out of the tube like a dream. Now I've seen so many like just put it on and squish it out with the tip. We're gonna try that, but I don't think that's gonna be a good option. I would rather put it on the tip, but we're gonna try it because you don't really want it all the way to the cuticle. So we're gonna do it this way though. And then using their slip solution, which again is a little oily, which kind of freaks me out. You're gonna flip that over. This stuff sticks really good too. It's not like popping up. So, you know, you can use the little clips if you need to. They're not going to fit tight. And that was another thing I noticed with the very first time I tried to use Polygel is the clips I thought were gonna hold it really like pretty tight, but you don't want that anyway. So here are the clips. You want, it's got a rounded edge and a flat edge. You want the flat edge on the top at your nail. I like using that until I'm curing. So like it's not all the way to the tip, but you do want to kind of hold it down. I'm gonna flip that over. And then using the brush, and you're gonna dab off most of it. You don't want like it loaded with product with the slip solution, and then you're just going to pull that out. Again, I really don't like doing this way because I feel like you're more likely getting it in the tip anyway. You're gonna pull that out to whatever length that you want. Make sure you've got it sidewall to sidewall because you don't want a little divot happening. That is crooked, so let's straighten that up a little bit. And if you need to use the clip, use the clip. I really don't feel like I need to, but I'm going to. Again, you want the curved end underneath and the flat edge to the top. And it will squish it out a little bit. And then you're gonna take your brush, and you can get in there around your cuticle with the brush when you squish it down and clean up before you cure. But you see that little divot I have going on right there? We wanna make sure that that's not happening. If it comes out past, that's fine because you can file that. But I'm just gonna check it again. Make sure it's not all underneath the tip of my nail, of Fran's nail here. All right, and I'm gonna cure that 60 seconds like this, and then 60 seconds like this. So something I forgot to say, and nobody really talks about this. Polygel, for me, it like puffs just a little when you cure it. It gets a little thicker, and that's just what I've found. I've had other people say, yeah, I kind of noticed that. So keep that in mind when you're doing it, when you smooth it out. If it's pretty thin, that's okay. You can always afterward, if you feel like your nails are too thin, you can always go back in with some builder gel or use the polygel and put another layer on it. Just make sure you put base coat over the top of the nail, file it, you know, like you would normal application. Make sure you don't, it's not shiny or, you know, top coated or anything like that. But I did like this, so. I didn't feel the need so much to use a clip because it just stuck to the nail and I didn't have to hold it also. It really works nice. And polygel is a blend of acrylic and gel, and it is slightly gritty when you put it on, but it levels right out and is smooth. So I'm very impressed with this polygel. I love the color is beautiful. The consistency is very nice. It reminds me, my two favorite all-time polygels that I've tried are Madame Glam's and Moira's. This is just as nice. It is smooth, it's creamy, it's easy to work with. The color is opaque and beautiful. Okay, the only problem I'm seeing with the slip solution that they give you, I put some on a cotton ball, is it doesn't really clean up the polygel. It leaves some, it's kind of hard. So, and you can see it leaves like an oily film. It's really hard to get up. I don't like that. Oily. I don't like that. Is it I don't know if it's gonna affect how long it stays, how long it lasts, because I have gel allergies. I don't know all the ingredients in this. I'm not gonna put it on my hands. So I really should be using gloves. That is alcohol, and that is going to clean that surface off. I don't know. If you do get it on your skin past the tip, it squeezes out. I would recommend using alcohol at that point and not the slip solution to get it off, because I don't think it's going to clean it off very well. But it was fabulous for smoothing it out on your nail, which is how I did all the rest of them. And you use the slip solution. It's a little oily. Is that gonna affect how long it'll last? I mean, I'm guessing that they know what they're doing, that it won't. But as far as being able to clean it up from around your skin, after you get it smooth, is so nice. It smooths it out so nice. This is really nice. If you use polygel or you're wanting to try it, this is a very inexpensive polygel, plus with everything you get with it. So that slip solution works fabulous, but again, I think it's a little oily. And oil and nail products don't mix. Is that going to stay? I don't know. Okay, so to get the tips off, you're going to kind of squeeze them and they will come right off. And that looks fabulous. minimal filing. Ooh, what? Why is it blue? Again, sorry, I'm going to use my e-file. And again, if you aren't careful about having the sizing right, you're going to end up with little corners. All right, other than a little like shaping up needed around here, the rest of it looks really good. And the edges on the corners are not too bad. It is smooth, non-stick, so you don't have anything to wipe off there. The underneath you do need to kind of wipe off because that feels a little weird. But otherwise, I really like this. This is pretty nice polygel. So if you use polygel, this is a really good deal. And I did Crazy Casey over here, a full hand, to show you the design I used. And I'll show you how to do that design on her. But otherwise, it's smooth, it's ready. I mean, I would paint it. They requested that I not use any other product than theirs. Okay, fine. They don't know me very well, do they? Here is the design I did, and I did use only their stuff, and that's it. I just put some base coat on and tapped a little bit of the foil on, and then put stickers and top coated, and I used their cover pink color of the actual polygel. So I think they turned out really cute. All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me. So I do really like this polygel. It's not so stiff like some of them are. It is a really nice polygel, and the price can't be beat. I mean, the price is awesome for everything you get. You want to try out polygels. Please don't think that you're going to be able to just pick up polygel and do a set, you know, first try. You do need to practice. It does take practice to get it right. You are going to need to do some filing, probably. I didn't have any filing really, except just a little bit here and on the sides. That's it. And I didn't even need an e-file to do that. So that is just because I've done several sets. I know how to do them. So just keep that in mind anytime you try to buy one of these products, or you see the quick little Instagram videos or Facebook videos and think that you're going to be able to do it just like they did right away. It does take practice, like with anything, especially nail art. So just keep that in mind. All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It's just a wildlife palooza around here today. Little bunny back. I don't see the bunny. Run away, run away.